all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy. This is physics. Every object on Earth possesses what is called a natural frequency, which depends on its size, shape, and composition. 1, 7. This explains how a singer can shatter a glass by hitting a certain note, which does not happen because the singer's voice has reached a particularly high pitch. Rather, it is a matter of attaining the natural frequency of the glass. As a result, all the energy in the sound of the singer's voice is transferred to the glass, and it shatters. The professional boxer, activist, and philanthropist nicknamed the Greatest, widely regarded as one of the most significant and celebrated sports figures of the 20th century, and as one of the greatest boxers of all time, used to not only match the frequencies of his opponent's training schedules, he used to do more frequently, so that when he stepped into the ring, he knew that they could never match his power, because his frequency was stronger. Everywhere in daily life, there are frequencies of sound and electromagnetic waves constantly changing and creating the features of the visible and audible world familiar to everyone. Some aspects of frequency can only be perceived indirectly, yet people are conscious of them without even thinking about it. A favorite radio station, for instance, may have a frequency of 99.7 megahertz. And fans of that station know that every time they turn the FM dial to that position, the station's signal will be there. Of course, people cannot hear radio and television frequencies, part of the electromagnetic spectrum, but the evidence for them is everywhere. Similarly, people are not conscious in any direct sense of frequencies in sound and light, yet without differences in
Welcome everyone. I hope you can see me and hear me clearly. If you can see me and hear me clearly, you can just give me a thumbs up. People who are on video, thumbs up. Okay, fantastic. I could see some visual thumbs up coming up. Fantastic. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the world of quantum healing, frequency therapy. Today, we are going to share. I'm very excited. Whenever I get a chance to talk about it, I am super excited because the technology which you are going to see today, 3 years back, someone invited me, like you have been invited today, to introduce and explore this technology. I am Leena Joy. I'm from Bangalore. I am a Ho'oponopono healer, basically a Keralite, but settled in Bangalore. And into this technology, I have my own company called Live It Up, a certified life coach. Always have been working more than a decade how to purify the energy, how to release the limiting belief, how to take responsibility of your life. And this is what I have been teaching day in and day out now more than a decade. 3 years back, something came into my life, was this technology. I jumped into quantum timeline, that is quantum healing space. Today, the technology which you are going to hear from me is from Germany, patented, gone across to 57 countries, and a way to biohack your mental blocks, your spiritual disconnects, your physical pains, and your emotional imbalances. Each and everything, what I just told. Can you imagine a technology has the power to identify it? Not just identification, but also it will help you to cleanse it. Now, I'm going to do my best next 1 hour. I'm completely yours. You have to promise me undivided attention. If you are sitting in front of Instagram or chit chatting, people are just coming and going. We are going to talk about quantum healing. It's little difficult to understand this space. So I would request you Please, undivided attention for next 1 hour. You are not going to be disappointed. That's my promise to you. But you have to promise me that you are going to focus on it completely. One more request. Can you guys come on the video? We are going to talk about energy, frequency, and vibration. And when we see each other, the energy uplifts. When I'm going to switch off my video, how will you feel about it? Only my audio would be coming out, but when you see me you can feel the energy, right? Now I could see Chindanan, thank you so much if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Kamran, Ragini, Sridharan, Nitya ma'am, Vandana. uh, okay, guys, more people can come on video. iPhone, Aditya ji, thank you so much for being on video. uh, whatever questions you have, there would be a 1 hour of presentation. I'm not going to stop for the questions, but if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to take it up at the end. At the end, it will be open for your question answer session. As many questions, I will be more than happy to answer. Please make a note of it while the presentation is going on and something popping in your mind. What is it that we are going to talk about today? We are going to talk about a quantum entanglement space. I don't know how many of you have learned about quantum entanglement, but in 2022, the Nobel Prize in Physics was given to quantum entanglement. And the white papers has been written by the founder and the inventor of this technology, which we are going to talk about. What do you mean by quantum entanglement? Let me explain this before even I start it. Okay. Now, any two pieces which are connected to each other and you take them as far as possible, anything happens to this one particle, the other particle will have an impact on it as well. If you have heard about two twins, one twins had a fall in the bathroom and the other twin somewhere on the road gets a fall at the same time. How? Quantumly entangled. A mom and the child. A child cries. Before even the child can open the mouth, the mom knows whether that cry is for the hunger or for the sleep. Quantumly entangled. A monk in the Himalayas, minus degree, chilled temperature, almost sitting naked on a dhoti. Can you imagine? Just wrapped in a dhoti in 0 degrees, minus degrees. How it is possible that the body is able to bear that temperature? Because the mind is gone out to a hotter region and the body is the physical body is in the colder region. uh, right now while I'm talking to you, Leena can be available in Bangalore giving a presentation. At the same time, Leena can be sitting in somewhere enjoying the meals in London or getting up into a beautiful Mauritius near the beach. Leena can be available in two different places at the same time. That's quantum entanglement. We are going to listen more about it, how much God has given us the power to shift our reality by being a different person, by being shifting, aligning to the frequency, by raising the vibration. There's more to it, and you will be super happy and surprised how this takes it up. A technology which came in your life, which came in my life as a blessing, and today, congratulations to each one of you. There is no coincidences in life. If you are here in this session and watching me and listening to me, let me tell you, everything in your life happens for a reason. It's happening for your soul expansion, because you wouldn't have seen me, you wouldn't have heard me if your soul didn't had this mission to understand this technology. Let's get into it without any judgment. Be open and you are going to love it. Say thanks to me after the session. Let's get started. Now, what are we talking about? We are talking about something, if you see on the screen, all these problems, any technology, any product, any service out in the world would be a successful product or service if it is solving society's problem, if it is reducing the suffering of this world. What are we doing? If you see these pain areas, whether it is depression, anxiety, pain, injury, stress, loss of direction, allergy issue, financial stress, every home, whether it is my home, your home, neighbor's home, ex home, boyfriend home, girlfriend home, you know something exists there. As per the WHO report, more than 1.5 billion people today are suffering with mental disorder. More than 1 billion people are suffering with chronic pain. half of the population is not able to have a proper sleep. REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. Now, what are we talking about? Whether you go to allopathy, are you able to see my picture? Okay. Whether we go to allopathy, whether we go to Ayurveda, whether we go to any alternative therapy, today every expert will call it out that all these issues, the root cause is only one. What is it? It's all emerging from your emotion. It's psychosomatic. It's everything coming from your thought level. Our emotion has the power to create illness or to create wellness. How many of you have read the book from Louise Hay? And she calls it out beautifully in a book called Heal Your Body, Heal Your Life. Any disharmony in your emotional body can cause an illness in your physical body. What is an emotion? Energy in motion. Anything which is in motion is a vibration. What is vibration? A cluster of frequency. Now, if our emotion has the power to create the illness or wellness, how profound we need to learn this to actually stabilize our emotion. Now, it's not about me, but a famous inventor, Nikola Tesla, called it out that if you want to find the secret of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. What exactly he was trying to say? He was trying to teach us that if I am not liking the life which I'm going through, if I'm not liking that my mother in law is not listening to me, if I'm not liking the bank account, the money which I'm holding it right now, if I am not liking the way my daughter is talking to me, if I am not liking the career, the job, the business which I am into, what is it that I have to do? The only way to come out of it is purifying the energy, aligning the frequency, and raising your vibration. Is it only Nikola Tesla has called it out? The grandfather of quantum science has called it out. Everything in life is vibration by Albert Einstein. What exactly they are trying to tell? Right now, if I tell you, if you are with me, all of you guys are with me, for 2 minutes, if you can think of a person in your life, and if because of that person you felt insulted or somebody literally embarrassed you, or in their space, in their personality, you don't feel that you can express yourself, anybody who's created that pain in your life, for 2 minutes, if you can think of that person in your mind, what's going to happen? Your shoulders will start shrinking, your vibration will start going down. Now, at the same time, if I ask you, can you think of a joker in your mind and think of that red hair in the joker's head? Can you imagine a joker in your mind and with the multicolored dots dress what the joker is wearing? Switch the pattern. Think of the person who has given you pain. Think of the joker. The joker's dress, keep it on the person's face. You will completely shift your energy. You know what? There are multiple ways which I teach my students how to change the energy towards the people so that your emotion is stabilized. Today, there is a small video. Why are we talking so much about it? There is a small video which is going to illustrate how energy, frequency, and vibration has the power to change the human health. We are going to listen to it and we are going to talk more in detail.
One of the greatest inventors of all time, Nikola Tesla, the genius who lit the world, once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Say you are listening to the radio in your car and do not like the music that you are hearing. What do? You change the frequency. What many people fail to realize is that we can take charge of our frequencies in the exact same way. We tend to reduce our body's anatomy down to a simplified version that consists of only flesh and blood. But everything on this planet, animals, plants, and water, are made of atoms, which produce, emit, and receive energy, which operates at a specific frequency. Everything. All our tissues, cells, organs, emotions, and thought patterns have their own unique electromagnetic fields, as do allergens, viruses, or bacteria. All things have a frequency, including you, the human body. It has been shown that a normal person has a frequency of 62 to 72 megahertz. When the body drops below this frequency, we begin to get into illness and disease states. For example, if our frequency drops to 58 megahertz, then we are likely to get a cold or flu. If our frequency drops to 42 megahertz, we become susceptible to cancer within the body. The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death.
Absolutely. The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death. What is it that this video was trying to teach us? This video was trying to tell us that for an ideal, healthy body, the frequency exists between, it ranges between 62 to 72 megahertz. When is it that it goes down to 58? Whenever there is an emotion of fear and insecurity, any kind of fear. If I'm just sipping on my coffee and little bit sugar is more and I'm saying, hey Bhagwan, mera sugar badh gaya, my sugar levels have gone high, any kind of fear, the money in my account, will it suffice this month for my needs and the pleasures to meet? Any kind of insecurity, if it is there in your body, you know what happens? The vibration drops in. When is it that the vibration goes down to 42? The vibration goes down to 42 whenever there is a deep sadness, grief in your body, any suppression of thoughts, any an unexpressed thoughts or wounds which are there in the body. It's going to create anxiety, and slowly it creates depression, and that leads to cancer. All these emotions in our body, it actually impacts your immunity, and whenever immunity gets impacted, you are more prone to fever and more cold and cough, and that's where the vibration goes down to 58. When your immunity get impacted to a deeper level of piling up, and one day it's going to give an alarm of the thoughts which has been piled up, you know what's going to happen? That creates depression, anxiety, and slowly cancer. Now, is it something so easy what I'm talking about? You know what, Lena, life throws up how much ever positive you are. How? Kaise? You know what, I'm very famous in being very positive, but still, Lena, joy forever, I'm very famous for that. But still, there are days where I'm feeling very low. There are days where I don't want to talk to anybody. There are days when I just shut the door because life shows up. Now, how easy it is that when I know that I'm going through some difficult challenges in my life, and I know that this emotion will impact my body, how to raise my vibration. Has somebody done it? Yes, Dr. Royal Rice. And he has invented a machine in 1934 which was known as the Rife machine. If you go to Google and just type Dr. Royal Rife, and this was in 1934. Now, with his machine, to prove that this machine works, he appointed 16 terminal cancer patients. And to his surprise, all cancer patients got cured. He should have been given a Nobel Prize. But hua kya? All his invention was completely abundant. And he was not all except allopathy. No other treatments was encouraged, and if somebody did it, they would be having legal challenges. Now, we are not in 1934. The invention of Dr. Royal Rife created a spark in the scientific industry. And there are so many scientists who actually, there are inventors, authors who came up and started writing about it. If you see the body electric, frequency specific microcurrent and pain management, the resonance effect, and the left corner, second path, Marcus Mike. He is the inventor, the Jandata of the technology which we are going to talk about. Very fascinating story. At the age of 16, Marcus Mike is from Germany. Now, while he was at the age of 16 years, he was studying in the university in Germany, learning quantum science. Imagine, I have my daughter of 18 years. I can't even imagine to tell her to start learning quantum science. She will be like, come on, mama, this is not the age of getting into quantum science. But imagine, Marcus, at the age of 16, was learning quantum science, having a lot of questions in his mind. And while he was there in Germany, and anybody who learns quantum science, they come to India for their further exploration. Marcus did the same. He came and stayed in Rishikesh, Himalayas, learned Vedic science, learned astrology from the Mayapur University in Calcutta, started teaching as a professor astrology in Mayapur University, stayed in India for around 12 years. And with his deeper involvement into spirituality, he turned out into a brahmachari. Now, Marcus, being a monk and learning so much from India, went back to Germany with a mission in his heart that he wants to create something as a gift into this world so that people can reduce their suffering, stop shuttling between home and hospital, and can take care of themselves. Now, he started learning and got mentored under Burkhard Heim. If you Google Burkhard Heim, he's a famous field theory scientist, and he was involved in giving the equations, very much instrumental in giving the equations for the gravity, which is in coherence with the relativity. Now, what did Bukhardheim did? He had the power to tap into up to the eighth dimension. How many of you have heard about 3D world? The 3D world we have learned in physics in fifth standard, and x y z axis. Now, fourth dimension is a time dimension. Our conscious mind lies in the 3D world. The subconscious mind acts from the uh, 4D world. The 4D is the time dimension. Now, above time is something which, according to the quantum science, there are uh, 12 dimension, and according to our Vedas there are 14 dimension. Bukhardheim had the power to tap into up to the 8th dimension. Now, Marcus Mike, when he learned about this, Bukhardheim, before leaving this world, he was looking out for somebody to pass this knowledge and wisdom. Marcus was the chosen one. Now, when Marcus learnt about how to tap into up to the eighth dimension and the quantum science knowledge, what he has gained from India, he was very sure that he wants to invent a technology based on this knowledge. He shared his idea with Christian Harper, another billionaire from Germany, from entire Europe. He actually holds a startup, a super fund, hedge fund, and also running a Michelin in vegan restaurant. I got an opportunity to eat in one of his teens, Tian, Tian, Tian Michelin in restaurant. I was there last year, and delicious, yummy food. And Christian Harper is like the top billionaire in Germany across. And today, both of them has got together and invented something in they have a headquarters in Berlin, development centers in Kazen Castle, and the first technology which they invented in 2006 is the two white color boxes which is there on the table, is known as time waver. Now, the person who is sitting opposite of the Sony Via laptop is a doctor, a quantum scientist. The girl who is sitting on the bean bag is the patient, and she is holding a two copper electrode. The wires are getting connected to the time waver, the two white color boxes. And what is happening here? What does time waver do? The name itself calls it out. Time waver, something which can go beyond time. Remember, I told you the fourth dimension is time. Now, when the girl is holding the wires, the time waver is tapping into up to the eighth dimension of this lady. Now, it's generating a report, and in that report, it's identifying what are the mental blocks, what are the spiritual disconnects, where are the physical pains, what are the emotional imbalances. Not just that, it also identifies the organs which has cells which are vibrating in a low frequency. Not just that, it also calls it out that in your DNA, what are you carrying as a part of your karmic connection? And all these details, the doctor, the quantum scientist sitting in the laptop would be watching it and sending out frequencies through the frequency generator, which is there in the time waver. Now, 311, 2001, 1001, it could be different permutation and combination. What doctors, from their wisdom and knowledge, would be generating the frequency to the patient. The permutation and combination of this frequency, where the patient can get recovered from that illness or the issue, is something which is getting stored in the server. From 2006 to 2010, there are more than 2.5 35 crore people got healed, and there are more than 9 million frequencies which are getting stored in the server. Can you just imagine? I mean, it became the Royal Royce in the frequency therapy industry. The cost of this time waiver is 50 lakhs to 1 crore. It will only be given to a certified doctor. In India, there are 12 clinics where we are using time waiver, and one of them is Manipal Hospital too. Now, even if you and me have money, we can't buy it until you are a certified doctor. Once you get it, there would be 6 months to 1 year of the induction for the training how to use it. Per therapy in the hospital will cost you 15,000 to 20,000. And if you are suffering with diabetes, if you, is my dogs disturbing you? These are my strays on the street. Okay. Concentrate here. Now, per therapy will cost you 15,000 to 20,000. And if you are diabetic or any chronic illness, you have to come for multiple sittings. And imagine how it went across, and more than 7 crore people got healed. It went across to 57 countries. More than 20 years now it is existing. Now, imagine how profound it could be. Marcus Mike should have been proud of his invention. But being a monk, he was not very happy with what he has invented. Ask why. Because what does a monk want? What is the intention of a monk? The monk wanted, Marcus wanted, every house, every layman, every person can use this. But it was not possible because, first of all, the price has to be rationalized. And second, you have to be a certified doctor. What did Marcus do? Marcus got inspired by Steve Jobs. You have seen the first computer what came in, the Harvard Mark, the big computers bigger than the space of your house. You need to be a software engineer to operate this. Not even a monitor was there. Now, what did Steve Jobs did? He created a paradigm shift. He converted that big, huge giant into today we have computers in our hand. We don't even need a desktop today. Now, that's what Marcus did. Marcus converted that big time waiver into a small 2x2, 5-ounce weight, which is known as HEALY. You can see it in my hand. And the name itself is so cute. Healy. Now, how does Healy came up? Marcus, let me hook it. Now, how does Healy came up into existence? What does Marcus did? Marcus worked with the software engineers, quantum scientists, developed software algorithms. And remember I told you the secured server in Germany where we are saving all that frequencies which are being used by time waiver? The brains of the doctors were getting captured. Marcus was very smart. He started utilizing the brain of the doctors. What he did, now he developed the software algorithms through artificial intelligence via IoT. It connected to the secured server in Germany, and via Bluetooth through the apps in your mobile, it connects to the Healy. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. The real work is happening in time waiver by the doctors. And that's why we say a doctor in your pocket. We are literally hacking the brains of the doctor by actually having that frequency. There are only two things which happened: having a nanotechnology, a frequency generator, and a quantum sensor. Just with this two technology, the nanotechnology which we used, which Marcus used, today Healy can go into every house, every layman. You don't have to be a doctor or a certified quantum scientist or an expert or a healer. You could be a normal layman, and we can teach you how to use it and heal your body. What is Healy and how does it work? We are going to discuss more in detail after this 2 minutes video.
Healy is new, Healy is different, and Healy is extremely versatile. This little game changer is the first smartphone-controlled wearable that provides easy support in all important areas of your life with the use of frequencies. Healy analyzes the frequencies you need right now. Then the smart wearable applies subtle currents and individualized frequencies to your body via its electrodes. It strengthens your balance and harmonizes imbalances. Fitness, holistic health and inner and outer beauty. Healy, over 120 programs to provide energetical support for you, for your body and for your cells. Every single cell in our body is a small power plant that constantly produces energy. One thing is particularly important for this, the natural cell membrane voltage. And this is where the Healy comes in. With Nuno Nina's Gold Cycle programs that focus on rebalancing your cells. Healy also has suitable programs for many other applications on board. Programs supporting relaxation if you have a headache or back pain, but also for learning, concentration or exams. Healy even offers support for mental balance, sleep and stress. The Healy Beauty programs are supposed to support your inner and outer beauty energetically. In sports, the Healy is meant to promote performance, muscles and regeneration. At home or on the go, in your leisure time or at work. In our opinion, health begins with good balance in all areas of life. This is what Healy stands for, state-of-the-art wearable technology, made in Germany to the highest standards. Based on use by 2,000 practitioners worldwide, who have seen as many as 500,000 patients. Healy, for me and for you and for everyone.
Absolutely. Healy for me, for you, and for everyone. And in the picture, you can see a woman who is wearing this bracelet. Wires you can see in my hand as well. So let me explain, what does Healy do? Healy works in your emotional body, physical body, spiritual body. Anything which you want to manifest in your physical reality stays in your emotional body for quite some time. Now, until and unless you have noticed that cancer goes out, comes back, gallbladder stone goes out, comes back, money issues goes out, comes back, relationship challenges goes out, comes back. Why is it so? Because what are we healing? We are healing the physical body. But until and unless the energetic blockages which has been created in your emotional body with the deep pain, deep hurts, deep insults, deep embarrassments since childhood, what you have gone through, it is lying there in your emotional body. What does Healy do? Healy works on your emotional body. It clears the energetic blockages which are sitting there, which you are not ready to let go. The inner child is crying. I basically teach to do Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Whom are we saying I love you? Whom are we saying I'm sorry? Whom are we saying thank you? To a body. Because you have neglected, you have killed one person since childhood to make somebody in your house happy. You have neglected yourself, you have killed yourself. And what does Healy do? Healy helps that inner child to let go, not to hold that pain. Now we do an emotional healing, we do a physical healing, we do a spiritual healing. How does that work? Physical healing, there are certain accessories for your physical body to work on. Now this is the accessories, the bracelet which I am wearing, and on the screen you can see the bracelet is going to be connected in both your hands, connected to Healy's. There is a socket here, and you don't have to apply your intelligence. Healy has a mechanism to capture the prana of a human being. How does it do? It has a quantum sensor at the back of it. When you are holding Healy in your hand, it is reading your mind, it is reading your body, it is reading your karmic patterns, and it generates a report identifying the imbalances. Once it is identified, what does we do? Through the frequency generator, the frequency is being passed to your body. You are getting a report. You don't have to apply your intelligence. Okay, so even though if you are getting a headache, and we do have a program of migraine to run, but you are not going to go and run migraine. What you are going to run? You are going to run, do the analysis and see what is the root cause of it. There was a person who came to me saying that I've got a terrible headache, but Healy is not helping me. You know, when we analyzed his body, the first thing which came up was kidney. When we ran the kidney program, I don't know what is the connection, but as soon as the kidney program ran, the headache went off. Now, you will never understand what is the root cause of it, but Healy can read it. Healy works on the quanta level of your cell. There are different accessories which are available. You can see the girl who is wearing here is the ear clip. Now, you can just plug into your ears like this. You can see my picture. Now, all these accessories will be coming along with your Healy box, so you don't have to worry. You will be getting a training on how to use it. Now, when do we use this accessory? When any kind of pain in your body, from your shoulder level to your top head, migraine, tooth pain, spondylitis, fever, headache, ear pain, it could be anything. You have to just use the ear plug and take that frequency. We also have a mechanism. You can see in my hand the adhesive electrode. This is another one accessories which you can just place it wherever the pain is. And the one which I have placed it on my bracelet, I can take those wires off and put it in this adhesive electrode. Can you see my thing? Okay. Now you can paste. Can you see my hand? Yeah. So this is an adhesive electrode. Let's say I've got a pain on my tooth. So I can just paste it here and this just sticks here and take the frequency. Okay. So there are different accessories which are available, which will be part of your Healy. Now, the quantum sensor, which I spoke about when you're holding in your hand, what does it do? Let's say that you are taking a liver program, I am taking a liver program. The quantum sensor is basically giving the frequency, which is individualized microcurrent frequency. What does it mean? Every person has a different lifestyle, a different way of the perception, the different pains what the person has gone through, the energetic imbalances, considering everything. Now Healy will determine what frequency to be given. Now it might be a possibility that for you the frequency will stop in half an hour, but for me it can run for 1 hour. So every person, depending upon the needs of it, Healy will give you the frequency. You don't have to apply the intelligence. While I'm talking to you, I am running a bioenergetic support program which is more about coherence. Coherence is, while I'm talking to you, I'll be speaking with my highest energy, what he wants me to speak towards you. So I am incoherent with my highest purpose. So we have a lot of frequencies which are available. We are going to talk more in detail on it. Now, where did it came in? It's not like overnight somebody sitting in Mandya or in China thought about it and it came out. No, it has come out from Germany. If you are aware of Germany, the high quality, I mean, you just can't indulge with any kind of grievances with coming in from Germany. A science based, in collaboration with all the doctors and practitioners, high patents. Ask about it. More than 8 patents we have. The entire space where we are working with artificial intelligence via IoT over the cloud, it connects to Healy. The entire process is patented. The quantum sensor is patented. There are more than 8 patents which are available. It has gone across to 57 countries. So just imagine, me and you doesn't have to do any research because there are people who have already done research. We can save our time and start utilizing it to for our benefit. So it has gone through safety trials, safety Hadadis trial, placebo effects. There are multiple from 2006. 2010 Healy was ready, but it came to existence in 2019. It came to India in 2022. Now, where was the gap of this 6 to 10 years? Because Healy was working on the certification. If you know the certification of CE0482, you can go and Google it. It's very difficult to get those certification from Germany. We got through so many trials, Hadaz's trials, safety hazard trials, placebo effect, multiple trials. It took more than 6 to 10 years for Healy to get that certification. So no compromise on the quality front. Now, how does Healy work? Healy works at the quanta level of your cell. More than 70 trillion cells are there in our body. What are we trying to tell the doctor when we go to the doctor? Are we telling the doctor, please analyze my 70 trillion cells and tell me out of 70 trillion, which cell is creating a problem? Possible? Even a full-time job doctor is doing with one patient, he or she will not be able to do it. Now, where are we working on? The upper layer of the body is muscles. You go one level deeper, tissues and organs. It made up of cells, made up of molecules. What are molecules made of? Atoms. What are atoms made of? Subatomic particles. What are subatomic particles made of? Energy, frequency and vibration. Where is this coming from? This is coming from the information field. You know, when the electron, protons, neutrons in our body is moving around, and when they move around, it creates a bioenergetic field. That field is known as information field. What is there in this field? All the possibilities, your past life, your present life, your future life, your soul purpose. Everything exists in this information field. Now, where is Healy working on? Healy is tapping into the information field. How many of you might heard about Akashic record? Now, we have the power to get the Akashic record elements tapped into. Now, what is the science behind it? What does Healy do, and how does it entire thing works? Every human being has a unique fingerprint. Likewise, every human being has a unique prana. In Ayurveda, we call it prana, and in Chinese, we call it chi energy. Now, what is the significance of this chi energy? It is mind, body, and soul alignment. What does that mean? What I am thinking, what I'm speaking, and what my soul is craving for is connected. It shouldn't be the case that I'm thinking something else, I'm speaking something else, and my soul is craving for something else. That's where the disruption of the flow of prana happens. Now, there are a lot of scientific journals, and a lot of scientists have worked upon it. Based on their scientific theory, it was identified that when is that disruption coming from? The cause of it is our emotional imbalances. How many of you agree with me that your emotion has the power to change the body structure? I mean, have you ever thought, oh my god, mera to, I mean, there are people saying, mera to dum ghut raha hai, I am feeling suffocating. You know, when you use those words, the words are so powerful. अगर आपके मुंह से मेरा दम घुट रहा है निकल गया, you know what your mind will do? Your mind will start putting circulating blood to each and every cells of our body organs, and in that process, because you have told you're feeling suffocating, so your mind feels that somewhere the blood is not flowing, and the blood will start flowing even to the small micro tumors where the blood shouldn't flow. And when the blood starts flowing there, what happens? That small micro tumors that turn into cancerous cell. Everybody has tumors available because our DNA does the mistake, and every day the mutation of our cells, the mistake which is done by the DNA, there are small micro tumors which gets generated in the body. Now, depending upon what the mind is saying, the body will start following. If the mind is saying that I am not happy, or it's not, I'm not, I don't want to live this life, or I'm feeling suffocating, I don't want to see this, your body will start working on it. Now, the cancerous cells which just generated in the body, who has generated it? We have generated from our mind. If you have an emotion of fear, where it gets impacted, your kidney gets impacted. When you have an emotion of anger, your liver gets impacted. When you have lack of joy in your life, what does impact? Heart attacks. If you have a suppressed thought, your creativity is suppressed. Thyroid glands get impacted. Now, any long term sadness or grief, your lungs get impacted. Any long term stress getting piled up in a body, spleen, pancreas gets impacted. Now, whenever there is an imbalance in the emotional level, we have understood that your body organs are getting impacted. And whenever this happens, the cells vibration, the cells get depleted. What does Healy do? Healy works at the three levels. First, it corrects the prana flow. Second, it works on stabilizing your emotion. Third, it works on the cells which are depleted to regenerate them, to flush out the toxins which are accumulated, and to give nutrition to your cells. How does Healy work on that? The emotional imbalances are corrected by intense therapies, which we have called Bach flower therapy, Australian bush flower, I Ching, Sizzler salt, homeopathy psyche. These are some intense therapy frequency which we will give it to you while you sleep. When you're sleeping, your conscious is sleeping, but your subconscious is active. We will run this therapy for your subconscious rewiring. How does Healy work on your prana flow to correct the disruption? We have a mechanism to capture the prana of a human being. Once the prana is captured, you can go and sit on planet Moon. We can still heal you. How? By a distant healing mechanism. This is what we work on, the principle of quantum entanglement. The third, how does Healy work on the physical body? Something which has already manifested. Your diseases, your organs, your cells. We work with the microcurrents. That's where all these accessories comes into picture. The microcurrents have been used by the doctors hundreds of years back, and it has been called out that usage of microcurrent helps increasing the amino acid transport. It has a butterfly effect. Once your amino acid increases by 40%, your protein synthesis, which is the most central blueprint stored in the DNA of your cells, increases by 70%. If you don't understand this technical language, forget it. The simple language, while I'm talking to you, what is it that I need from morning till evening? Energy. Where is this energy coming from? The ATP levels in the mitochondria of your cell. What is ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. I also don't remember. I've read it from here. Now, the ATP in your mitochondria of your cells, where it gets generated, shoots up to 500%. People who use Healy, if you see them midnight 2 a.m., the energy would be very high. And go watch the people who are using Healy. I can for sure tell you that energy will not go down. Now, I am going to continue with all this because a lot of science, facts and figures. While we are talking to each other, there would be a country getting launched. In the month of May 2026, we are launching Kazakhstan, Dubai, Vietnam. As we are in more than 57 countries. This year, we are again launching UAE. We are launching Kazakhstan. We are launching Vietnam. Now, more than 20 million applications. While we are talking, there is an application getting downloaded. More than 2,500 practitioners across the world, doctors, therapists, physicians, healers, life coaches. You talk about it, and the people are using and helping their families and also using for their patients. The complete advisory community, who is the part of it, who and who, you just take the name of them, go to Google, type and read about them. 25, 30 years into quantum science, have their clinics across the world from last 25 to 30 years. Caroline McMcCain, an official healer of NFL players, National Football League. Like we have IPL in India, National Football League players on the ground, when they get injured, they are not given tablets or injections. They are given frequencies to recover back. All the frequencies which Caroline McMcCain has developed for the players is collaborated with us. We have access to her frequency. Imagine last 20 years of her experience, an official healer of NFL. Today, we have the access to her through Healy. Now, the kind of programs, more than 300 plus programs in Healy today. I always say that I could have gone to a doctor and told the doctor that I'm not able to sleep at night because my child is not studying. I am getting so much of stress day in and day out because my husband is not listening to me. I wish doctor had a pill for this. I wish doctor could give me a pill wherein my job, I'm not happy with the salary hike. I wish doctor could give me a pill where I'm not happy with the connections in my environment. I wish doctor can understand that my root chakra is blocked because of the fear and the insecurities which goes in. Give me a pill to activate my root chakra. Give me a tablet to activate my throat chakra. Give me a tablet to activate my intuition power. I wish. But you know what? We have frequencies to activate your intuition. God has given us so much of power that sitting here, how many of you have heard that a mom calling from India and the child is somewhere out of India, and the mom would be like, Beta, sab theek hai na? Something happened to you? And how does the mom comes to know? Intuition. At an energy level we are one, and that's why we say कि don't do anything bad to anybody, because at an energy level we are one. If you hurt somebody, karmic connection, it will come to you, because if the other person is hurt, you will also feel that pain. That's why we have frequency to help you take the right decision. Your mental blocks helping you create new neuro paths in your mind so that you think differently, you act differently, you feel differently, and you can manifest new reality. You can come out of that fear that you can hold more money, you can attract the love, you can leave, you can come out of that diabetes, BP, cholesterol. Let me call out, we don't cure, we don't treat, we don't diagnose any disease. We give you an environment where your body becomes the doctor and the food becomes the medicine. The same dal chawal what you are eating today, maybe your cells doesn't have the ability to absorb it, but once you start using Healy, the same cells start absorbing the protein from your dal, and your body becomes the doctor, and the food becomes the medicine. And that's why Healy has so many testimonies. Connect with the person who has invited you. You will hear testimonies. I have seen people from the wheelchair standing and start walking. I have seen people coming out of their diabetes from last 25 to 30 years. I have seen people attracting, their money was blocked, and the running a prosperity frequency, the money started coming. I have seen people coming out of the divorce issue. I have seen people having more harmony in their relationship. I have seen people having the coming out of their eczema, skin issues, activating their chakras, where they are able to manifest their best life. I mean, you name it, and we have a frequency for it. The certifications which we hold in Europe, Healy has been considered as a class 2 medical device. Treatment of pain in chronic pain, fibromyalgia, skeletal pain, migraine, also the supportive treatment of mental illnesses such as depression, anxiety related sleep disorder. Now, it's very painful to see only this. You know why? Because the medical industry only understand this. Healy can do much beyond it. They can't give certification that Healy can also activate your chakras. Now, Healy is FDA cleared. Frequency therapy Facebook group, all the healers, quantum scientists, all the people like me and you are a part of this. The person who has invited you, make sure that you take a link from them. I'm going to run this very fast, and then I'm going to open it out for question answer session. How much time we have? Yeah, I am on time. Perfect. This is the first time I'm doing it on time. I'm such a overgiver that I keep talking, keep talking. Okay, fantastic. Now, these are the certain screenshots which has been taken from the frequency experience group, where people, live people, real people who have used Healy, and they have come out and shared their testimony. Now, what you can see in the middle is basically the detox program of Healy. The gold cycle, we call it as a detox. Pure is purification. It purifies each and every cell of your body. Care is basically building your immunity. I should say, is basically disciplining your immunity. There is nothing in the world which is making your immunity stronger. You know, I mean, if anybody comes and tells you, eat, take Chavanprash and your immunity becomes stronger, or take this supplement, your immunity becomes stronger. No. Not possible. Your immunity will only be disciplined, or it becomes stronger by your mind and your gut healing. These are the only two ways where your immunity becomes stronger. What does care do? It makes your immunity disciplined. Balance, it's basically balancing your actions, your mind and body. Being is for your soul related activities. Energy is raising your ATP levels in your mitochondria of your cells. Relax is activating your parasympathetic nervous system. Release is acting as a painkiller, releasing the pain out of your body, whether it is a physical pain or an emotional pain. Now, this lady on the screen was suffering with menstrual cramps. Every woman in your house go through the menstrual cramps. Even me, I mean, when I go through, I don't feel like talking to anybody. I don't feel like working because so much of cramps drained of energy and bedridden that I don't feel like getting up and work. But we have to do it. Now, being on medication, she 2 months started using Healy, and today she actually calls it out that my life is normal and no pain, no medication. This could be the best gift for the woman in your house. Depression, before and after. If you see the face, how beautifully she has captured. Uh, 2 months after daily usage, she was able to come out with antidepressant tablet. And today she's absolutely, the sleep has improved and she can see many pain, aches, inflammation have also gone. Stimulation, migraine, we have program of tooth pain, chronic pain, back pain, joints, insomnia. You can see on the screen. Now this lady is talking about the migraine issue, which she ran it, anti-seizure medication which she was using it, but after few days of the Healy usage, she calls it out that I'm no longer in medication. We have lot of Indian testimony, so don't worry if I'm showing you someone from outside. Chronic stress fracture, how many of you are aware? People who are in corporate jobs, be careful. Sitting in that straight position with your spine erect, you know what's going to happen? Slowly, there is something known as stretch fracture. I am not giving you any kind of threatening, but a warning. Please take care of yourself. This is something which first time I'm hearing it. A stretch fracture wherein a lady was not able to bend down to brush her teeth also. After using Healy, today she calls out that I sleep like a baby and run around with my 4-year-old. It's a blessing, when I hear and read about all this testimony. Skin problems, skin infections, we have frequencies to run through that. Even my daughter was suffering with eczema. I started using on her, and touch wood, gone across to so many doctors, didn't get result, but after using Healy, she's completely out of it. Prostate, one of my team member was telling me that their parent, uh, at night, before even reaching the bathroom, he will leak out because of the prostate issue. After using Healy, peaceful sleep. Imagine what gift our parents need at this age. They don't need any expensive vacations or some materialistic clothes, things. They need a peaceful sleep. uh, Learning and concentration, oh my god, this is my favorite. My daughter, the person who has invited you, make sure you ask for the testimony of my daughter Ananya. And sometimes it gives me goosebumps. The girl who was completely into dancing, art, creative, highly creative, but never into studies, till 9th standard, touching 60%, was a wildest imagination. Coming to 10th standard, 2022, Healy came into my life. I started using Healy from the month of November, December, January. She had a prelims, and guess what? She passed out 10th standard in 92%. The girl who has never touched 60. 11th standard, 93%. 12th standard, a state rank holder. All the BMTC buses in Karnataka was having my daughter's picture. Now, if 97% in 12th standard. Let me tell you, Healy is not doing any magic. What Healy is doing is activating your potential, what you carry. It, especially for children, it activates the third eye chakra. It's not like my daughter was sitting and mugging everything, but while she was going through the pages of the book, she exactly knew the intuition power, what to study and what not to. And based on that smartness, she was able to gain this percentage. The intuition power of the children goes very high. Internet addiction. Now, whether it could be an addiction of the Netflix, mobile phone for children, prawn addiction, or any kind of addiction. It even eating food is an addiction. Alcohol, smoke, we have addiction. In a contentment, in a unity, there is a lot of programs which mental imbalances. We have a lot of programs to actually come out of the addictions what the person is going through. Weight related, there are so many supplements, and even the nutrition which we are taking in our body, hardly 10% gets absorbed, and most of them is a side effect. You know what, Healy has 72 digital nutrition program which helps you to absorb the nutrition from your food 100%. And try it out. There are people who have taken the blood report before using Healy, RBC count, WBC count, hemoglobin level, and they use it for 14 days, goes and checks their RBC count, WBC, and hemoglobin again. You will be shocked and surprised. I can keep on going through it. You'll not become a Salman Khan, but if you have cells to activate the hair, it will. Okay, now I don't want to skip this. Animal program. I'm a pet parent and I love animals. It was an emotional trauma more than my animals go through when I take them to a veterinary doctor. I can't sleep at night if my dog has not eaten food on the street. I have 100 plus dogs which I feed every day. I have my 3 cats at home, and it was an emotional trauma for me to running around in the veterinary hospital. Today, after having Healy, I just need to capture the picture and give them a remote healing. I mean, trust me, my prayers have been answered. There is a small video, and then we are going to end it in next 5 minutes.
What do you think of Healy?
I absolutely love it. Like, it's amazing. I'm blown away. Like, I can feel everything. I don't know. I just feel like it really came at a ripe and opportune time. It's amazing. I could cry. Like, it's to that level. Like, I'm like, this is it.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
I'll send that too.
Yeah.
For the first time in 11 years, I haven't taken a Panadol Fort, which was my daily thing in 4 weeks. And I used to take like up to 10 a day, which was just...
About 15 or 20 minutes into the frequency, his whole demeanour just changed and the colour came back into his face. And he said to me, "So I'm great now, I feel good, Mum, I'm just going to go ride my bike for a bit." And he just took his Healy off, went outside and did a lap of the block on his bike, and completely feeling fantastic again.
My energy levels were great, my moods were balanced.
My mind feels like I've had, for lack of a better word, a brain flush.
And the other thing is, I always notice when I run the skin program, the next morning my skin feels like it's 100% silk. It's just unbelievable.
I'm getting the results right now, and it's actually blowing my mind.
And I've just put on these little ear electrodes and Healy has a migraine program that you can run. And honestly, I've been running it for the past 10 minutes and the symptoms of my migraine have gone down about 80%.
My sense of calm is back, my happiness is back, my mental clarity, my concentration, my sleep, my blissful sleep is back.
Number one, back pain. And I almost fell out of my chair when I saw that. I was like, oh my God, the level of intelligence that this device has is absolutely mind-blowing.
Absolutely, I'm not joking. I mean, the level of intelligence what device has, there are things which I have not called out to my parents, to my child, to my husband, but when I do my aura therapy and the report comes out, I get shocked. Sometimes I get goosebumps that how Healy came to know about this. You know, I might have just had a thought and Healy could have written it down in the report. There are things which from my childhood I would have buried it. There are layers which have been buried inside my body. I might have forgotten it, but Healy is going to heal you. One like an onion, a layer by layer, is going to heal you one after the other. You can't even imagine how many layers, something which your parents told, something at your school level, something from your childhood, something from your marriage, it's all getting accumulated. And today it has become those layers that you are not your real self. The real Lena came out when I started healing myself. There was an a new lean. I mean, I could feel it, that what level of wisdom and knowledge which I started accumulating. How you see the world, if it will start changing the meaning of it. What you perceive, the event and the situation and the circumstances which is coming in front of you, the meaning what you give to it will start changing when you start using Healy. Because what does Healy do? Healy is not doing any magic. It is very, very scientific. Until and unless you don't heal your mind and you don't heal your body. If I keep saying that I am sick, or I am diabetic, or I am not good, I don't have money, if you keep saying that, your body will start following it. Your body will start showing evidences of it. But if you are saying that I am healing, thank you so much, God, for showing me this session today. Thank you so much, God, that I am able to participate in this session today. There is something which you want to give me and show me a higher purpose. If you can have a thought of this level, you know what's going to happen? Your body will start showing you evidences. Your body will start working with you so that your healing becomes faster. When you keep talking, your words, your tongue is the seed. And whatever you talk is basically the mind follows it. How easy it could be if we could have done it on our own. Healy was not required. If I was teaching Ho'oponopono and I was telling them, just hold your hand like this and visualize the red color of your root chakra and just tell, thank you so much. Visualize that root chakra, the red color, and just say, thank you so much, my body, for being with me. I love you. Thank you. I bless you. And you can do this for every chakra of yours. Imagine the sacral chakra and imagine the orange color. And just say, thank you so much. I love you and I bless you. Imagine the yellow color, the solar plexus chakra. Thank you so much. I love you. I bless you. Imagine the green color of the heart chakra. Thank you so much. I love you so much and I bless you. Imagine the light blue color of your throat chakra. Thank you. I love you. I bless you. Imagine the dark blue color of your Anjana chakra. And thank you. I love you so much. Bless you. Imagine the violet color of your crown chakra. I bless you. Thank you. I love you. And if I tell you to do this 108 times every day, will you be able to do it? If you can do it, you don't need Healy. Healy had to come in so that this chanting Healy can do for you. Healy can help you to say thanks to all your chakras. Healy runs frequency to have a connection with your body. Healy run frequency so that you can build that love to your body, which you are neglecting it. Now, let me jump. Gurudev who will understand for better, who understands frequency. Sri Ravi Shankar Jai Gurudev was able to accept our Healy, and today we are just on the verge of signing an MOU, nothing official yet, but we are still in talks with him to get Healy into his ashram, and beautifully he has accepted it. We have got so many politicians. The one of our associate went to Delhi for the tribal minister to hand it over. Now I'm going to jump into the how you can own Healy in your hand. Now, you know what? Anything new comes in our life, we resist it. When the first time mobile phone came into life, what will your grandfather or my grandfather would have told? Hey, bakwas hai. If I would have just told my grandfather, you can watch me and talk to me. You can see my picture and talk to me. What will your grandfather say? Come on, this is all, we don't want this. This is all Britishers ke chochle hain. But you know what? It came in and today even every auto rickshaw has it. When the first time the aeroplane was in, the flight was invented, you know, there were people who was having restricted. There were people who was calling it out that the sky is for the birds. Human cannot go there. Today, the flights have been invented. We can fly. Now, Healy is into the world. There are people who will come and say that no, only human can heal. We can't have a technology to heal. Anything new comes up, there is a restriction which comes from the people. There are conflict which the mind will come to. That's how the design of the human being is. But when you start experiencing it today, this month, congratulations, you can have Healy in your hand with a 30% discount. I am not joking. The price what you're seeing here, it is less than the insurance price what you're paying for your family. Even if you pay 20,000 for each person in your family, calculate for 10 years how much you are paying. Now the amount what you're paying for Healy is for all the family members, one time, lifetime. You will not have to pay ever again. One time you take Healy in for each and every family members, and this is no subscription cost. And when you use this, there is a 14 days of refund period. You have a trial period. What does that mean? That whichever version you decide to choose in, connect with the person who has invited you here. Only through them you will get the discount. Now there are different models which are available. The one starts with 41. There is an Healy holistic with 82. In these two models you can't analyze your body, you will not get the report. The analysis of the body starts from 1,23,000. Congratulations, 30% off makes it 91. What is the difference between 1,23,000, 2,05,000 and 329? Body related, body and mind related, body, mind and soul related. The highest version, which is 3,22,000, after 30% off comes to 2,42,000. And what is the advantage in this? You get stem cell shots. The stem cell shots which the celebrities use are injection which is given by the doctors for the regeneration of your cell. And this is usually used for people who go through any kind of replacement in their body. The doctors will tell you to use the stem cell shots every 6 months, and each injection costs around 50,000 to 1 lakh. We give you frequencies of these stem cell shots for lifelong, which is available in the highest package, 2,42,000. We have Healy Resonance Plus, which is 2,05,000. After 30% off comes to 1,52,000. And this comes with your body and the mind related programs. You can do an aura scan. Congratulations to each one of you. Please connect with the person who has invited you and get an aura report done. Usually we charge 5,000 rupees, but today people who are attending it, you can get it free. If you're listening to this video, even in the recording, make sure you connect with the person and get one time the aura report free. Okay, so connect and get a free report of yours. Understand the emotional blocks, understand the physical pains, understand what you're hiding in your body, the residue of your pain, sometimes from your childhood, it is still there. Okay, energetic blockages, everything will come in the report. Your karmic pattern, your ancestors' wound, have the report in your hand until Healy comes in. Now, all this which comes in, we will give you a training. There would be a hands-on training which will be coming up. There is a training complete academy which is available, and you will have a power buddy to hold your hand every day. Make sure you're connected and use it every day. It will be magical. You know what? Initial 7 days is a detox cycle. We do a detox of your entire body. 8th day, people fall in love with Healy. But company has given you 14 days. It's more than a period for you to assess whether Healy works for you. We have a Mac Healy, which is for your environment. And this is basically, it comes in two models. One is the white and one is the black. Now, this is the premium model. Even Healy comes in black. Right now, somebody is using in my home. But we have a black Mac Healy as well. That is a premium model which is available. Now, this is basically for your environment. Now, for your environment, how to use it. Right now, while I'm talking to you, I'm running a prosperity program. The prosperity program is on in this. You can see a light beeping on this. Now, this imagine the prosperity in terms of what you need in your life, you will be attracting it. Now, this takes care of your family harmony, relationship, food related frequency, kitchen related frequency, your chakras, your cell harmony, 3-meter diameter, 10 feet height. Everyone in your vicinity would be getting it. Keep it in your center table and run it for your entire family. Okay, I can keep on talking about it. And if I miss something, then when you ask me question, I will talk on it. Okay, so right now I can stop it. I feel I am done. Great. So, thank you for being such a beautiful audience. And I am ready to get your questions. And if you have any questions, please raise your virtual hand. You can see the reaction button down. In the reaction button, raise the virtual hand, right? Like I am raising. You can see my hand up now. There is a virtual hand. You have to raise like that. When you raise like that, I can see it and I can unmute you. You can ask your questions. If you don't want to ask here, you can basically put it in the chat or connect with the person who has invited you. I could see Angel. Oh, I love your name, Angel. There is an angel today in our meeting. Yes, Angel, go ahead.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes. Happy to know about the program. However, my quick two questions are, how long should we use?
Is it possible to come on the video, dear?
No, I have some
Okay.
challenges here. I'm so sorry about
That's
that.
okay. That's okay. Yeah, carry on.
Yes. See, how long should we be using this per day and during our lifetime?
Fantastic. Very good question, Angel. And you can use it. Basically, we call it out that 90 days is minimum it takes for your body to come out with new neuropaths and create the new kind of thinking, feeling, how you perceive things, situations in your life. And so 90 days is a good enough time. But if you feel 1 month you have used it and you are in an environment wherein you are doing vigorous meditation, yoga, connecting with the nature, doing grounding, proper nutrition, proper hydration, then you can stop whenever you want.
So this is not a lifetime addiction, like, because I know because our subconscious mind is so deep, it has infinite things to be healed.
Absolutely. See, there are so many layers, Angel, where we have to heal it. The day I can say that I have healed myself completely, that day will never come. You know why? Because we are here on this planet Earth to learn the lesson. Okay, so we have accumulated. What is Healy doing? Healy is cleaning those layers, and you are becoming a new version of yourself. When you become a new version of yourself, the same situation, the same circumstances, maybe the same things around, but you are giving a different meaning. When you are giving a different meaning, the reality changes, and that's where you come out, you recover from your illnesses, you come out all the money issues, you come out of your relationship issues, and when you feel you are there, but to sustain it, to maintain it, you still need to be raising your vibration, aligning with that frequency. If you can align with that frequency on your own by different mechanism, if you are a healer, you do Reiki, Pranic, EFT, Ho'oponopono, grounding. It could be any mechanism. We have to maintain that frequency. So it's your decision. See, if I say I am addicted to take care of myself, I am addicted to do pranayam, I am addicted to do meditation every day, I am addicted to eat healthy food. Is it good or bad? Some kind of addiction is good enough.
Absolutely, we are all addicted to this human existence. If we say in short.
Absolutely, Angel. So I would only tell you that you to take a decision, because when Healy came into my life, I am close to 50. I don't have any issues in my body. Even before Healy came in, I didn't have any issues in my body. So it's not like I took Healy, but then I thought, what is Healy going to do for me? And paradigm shift. I can tell you I'm not the same person what I was 3 years before. People who know me have seen the changes, the way I talk, the way I perceive, the way I take care of people. Absolutely in a different realm. So Healy will change you completely and go take you to the highest version. That I can promise you. Okay, so we have Sridhar and Angel. If you have any more questions, you can raise your hand again.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Very glad to be here.
Fantastic, me too.
Yeah. I've been in a spiritual journey for the past, from my childhood. The reason for attending the meet today is I'm at a very important point in my startup journey of making a progress, a significant progress. A spiritual journey has been a part of my life, and I have been I introduced to various forms of spirituality in different stages of my life, my journey. So I thought how energy frequency healing would help, and that's the reason I wanted to be here. And yes, and you introduced me to the technique of aligning frequency, and this insight will really help me. And the the startup that I'm pursuing is a part of 10-year journey, and it has been in the field of human understanding, communication, and everything. So I've been working on devising frameworks for business coaching, wellness coaching as well. And as an extension of that, I'm creating a platform on communication. And as a part of the vision, I'm trying to make it as a research initiative. So where people like you will support in some way. So that's what I'm
Absolutely,
aligning
Sridharan.
for.
So,
Yeah.
as far as I understand, congratulations. Just because you are in your spiritual journey, you are a spiritual seeker. I am
Yes.
not surprised that you are here in the Healy community today. I mean, if you see, I mean, in my community, there are more than 5,000 people, and 80% are healers, spiritual leaders. We have so many teachers from Art of Living. We have so many meditation teachers from Pyramid Valley, pranic healers, Reiki healers. So, you
Yeah.
know what? Somewhere a frequency aligns. And I
Yes.
feel this is a conspiracy, the algorithm of the universe, which makes all the people who are spiritually aligned, who wants to evolve, they should be together. Because when we
Yes.
are together, we can raise the vibration and the consciousness of this world much better with
That's the
our
basis of my thought too, where
absolutely.
I work for the 10 years without, I mean, with the altruist mindset to help people. And I have foregone business opportunities as well for the purpose that it will, the thing that I've foregone will take me to the next level. So if you seek something reward immediately, you are punishing yourself. That's the way. That's the interpretation as a spiritual seeker you also would have. So if you leave
Absolutely.
something, so if you dedicate something to people, and then the right thing will come to you at the right time. So that's what
Absolutely.
I believe in. So I
Absolutely.
want to align with people like you to support the research initiative that I'm creating.
Welcome to the community, and I would love to collaborate with you, Sridharan. And
Thank
you
you.
have been invited by whom?
Mr. Murugesan.
Okay, so please connect. He is one of the leader from India, and
Yeah.
very powerful leader. You can connect with him. He's from Chennai. And are
Yeah.
you also from Chennai?
I'm from Chennai.
Fantastic.
And I've been introduced to this device. There's a clinic in Chennai which has this technology, but they have it in a different way. The doctor in
Okay.
Chennai has the technology.
Okay, so
But-
Sridharan, just because now everyone are
Yes,
waiting,
I'm
and
getting
I'll
it.
connect with
Okay.
you one-to-one, Sridharan, and I
Yeah.
would love to connect with you. So,
Definitely.
and I keep coming to Chennai as
Definitely looking
well.
forward. ma'am.
And tomorrow we
Yeah.
have a meeting, physical meeting. Make sure you are there and get
Physical
started.
meeting is where?
Yeah, Murugeshan will able to help you out, and also
Okay, yeah, he said that there was a Asanji meeting in Chennai.
yes. So
Oh, okay.
please, Cosmopolitan Club. So make sure you are there, and
Okay.
also have an aura therapy done. When you see your aura report and see how much
Yes.
you are able to.
I'm going to meet Murugesan on Sunday. That's what we have planned. But
Absolutely.
tomorrow's meeting, I might not be there because I have some other meeting at that time.
Fantastic.
So, yes.
Okay, awesome. Congratulations. I'm going to see you soon inside. Welcome to the community. Okay, Chindanand. Okay, Sridharan, you can be, somebody can help me to take Sridharan out of the spotlight. Thank you so much. Yes, Chindanand M. Am I pronouncing it correct? Can't hear you. 1 second. Yeah, you can talk now.
Yes. Yes, I'm Chidanand from Bangalore.
Yeah.
I've been invited by Kushbu Kumari
Khushbu, yeah.
From Chennai.
Yeah.
In the evening, she called me and she told about this thing, and I said, okay, I will attend this. Now, my question is, I have been a very disciplined person, and I feel I am very healthy in every respect. Everything is fine for me, even memory, my activity. I am into artistic activities from architecture, photography, film, everything. So many things I'm doing. I'm very energetic. Everything is fine. But what I'm seeing in my family and also in my friend circle, a lot of people are suffering from these stress issues, especially in Bangalore. A lot of people, especially those who are around 50 years and all. Those people, they are getting this. They have been operated for heart issues, and then they are being inserted those stunts, into the heart, and so those things are have become very common in Bangalore, especially this IT field people. They are having a lot of, they are going through a lot of stress levels. So for those people who are operated, this bypass surgery and all those
very
things.
good question, Chindananji. So people who have got stents in their body, we don't give them these wires. So I showed you this wires, the bracelet. So we don't use wires on their body. We don't give them microcurrent. Any metal in the body, children below 12 years, pregnant ladies, people who have stents in their body, and that is a metal, we will not allow them to use wires. Rather, there is something known as coil. Right now I'm not holding it, but there is a coil which will go inside. You can plug it inside Healy and just keep it in 90 centimeter radius with them, and they will be able to take that physical healing, or just give them a remote healing by capturing the prana of the person. You can capture the prana. We will give you training how to do that, and then you can give them distant healing. Okay, so that can be done, and also you can use this, which can be next to them, and give them. There is a water programs. So there are programs wherein before you drink the water, you can change the molecular structure of the water by running a water therapy. So water carries memory. Now whatever you are running in your water, it will basically change the energy of your complete body, and your cells will get activated. So that is, we will train you how to use it for specific needs of the person. Okay, so connect with Khushbu, and since you are such a healthy person, you never know the reason why you are here in this meeting, because your soul wants you to be a channel into this world.
Absolutely.
Teach them what you have done to your body to keep it healthy. You become the channel into the world, and maybe that could be the sole purpose.
Yes, thank you so much. And then one small thing, you see, people, there are so many people around my family, even me, including me. I have this stammering problem sometimes. So will these problems also get cured by these things?
Yeah, I will not use the word cure, but I will definitely say that it will definitely help. There are so many testimonies out there, and you can see there are people who were not able to say a single sentence, and today they are speakers on the stage. So all these problems are basically somewhere the throat chakra is blocked because of some emotions which we have gone
psychological
through.
issues.
Yeah, maybe not in this janma, you are carrying it in your DNA also. We never know. Okay, so once you cleanse it, heal it, I would be happy to have a testimony of yours soon.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you for this very powerful session. Actually, I belong to ILH community of Siddharth Rajshekhar. I'm creating programs for heritage watercolor paintings. So there I have to speak. I have to this thing. In fact, I have started my journey just now.
Please have Healy in your life, and you won't be surprised. The complete Success Gyan also has Healy in their life. Okay, I am also a Success Gyan student.
Wonderful. Nice to know.
Very nice meeting you, Chindananji.
Please
connect to Khushbu and get your aura report done, and have Healy in your hand.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Angel, you are back. I love to call out your name. Yes, dear.
Thanks for the opportunity again. It's a practical question. Since you have mentioned 6 modules, how long is the duration for covering the 6 modules, or how does it go about?
Which you have to take any one module, whichever you are comfortable with. Now if you are planning to take the module of the highest package, which has more than 300 programs, so there would be a protocol which we are going to teach you how to do it. The first 7 days would be a detox cycle. Post 7 days we will work with your the top 5 attention areas in your body, where you don't have to apply the intelligence. Healy will analyze and tell you that which area needs attention, whether your circulation needs attention, whether your woman related activities needs attention, whether your liver needs attention. Healy will tell you that. Based on that, we are going to run all Healy programs for next 2 to 3 weeks, maybe up to 90 days. Beyond 90 days, if you are suffering with any ailment, usually 90 days is a good enough period where you can see the changes even in your ailment. Okay, we will not tell you to stop the medicine. You go to the doctor, do your test. Based on the doctor's advice, you have to stop your medicine. And there are so many people who have stopped it only after the checkup and the doctor's advice. You can use Healy while you're taking medicine, but slowly, eventually, gradually have a look on your report. Now 90 days further, you are still suffering with that ailment, then we will change something different for you. We will have a different protocol based on that ailment, and we will give you that package to run from the same module.
Yes. So you're going to heal us, but you're not helping us to become a healer also, is it? I mean,
we are going to teach you. You are going to do it with your device.
Okay, first is our device, then we will be doing it for others
Absolutely.
also.
Absolutely.
Right.
So there would be complete training given. You become the healer of your body. You know what? God has made us so powerful that Healy is coming and teaching us that you can heal your body on your own. You don't have to depend on anyone.
And well, while running this, I hope there are no auto suggestions, because sometimes these affirmations, auto suggestions are too overwhelming and we get exhausted over a period of time. So now, is it that the Healy will do the job, the device will do the job automatically for us with the frequency, and we have to be calm and composed?
Absolutely. When you are using Healy, if you are in a mindset of with gratitude, trust, surrender, you will see magical results of Healy, because Healy is reading your mind. But if you are in a judgment mode, if you are in a very skeptic mode, Healy will still give you result, but it will take time, because now the Healy has to work on your thinking abilities. Now, once there are mechanisms in Healy where affirmations you have to put it, we have both the module. If you want to give your own affirmation, you can type in there and run the frequency for it. Or Healy will analyze and tell you what affirmations are required right now in your life for the challenges what is going on. So both the ways it works.
But it is a device, right? See, how long will the device work? Is it see, sometimes devices have a limited period. What happens in case it falls or there's a breakage, or in case it stops working? How is the replacement for that?
Very good question, Angel. So till 2 years from the time you bought it, if there is any damage, it will be completely replaced without a question asked. After 2 years, if there is any damage, you just have to pay for the damage cost, and which will be somewhere around 15 to 20, 21,000. The frequencies are coming to you for lifelong. So you don't have to worry. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The entire work is done at the server level. So the frequency would be given to you for lifelong, not just for you, for your entire family.
See, when you say at the server level, the server will be running, right? What if there is sometimes suddenly the server stopped, or will that challenge me? I just want to make it clear. I do believe in God, who's the supreme server. However, we are also clinging to some device temporarily, right? So
totally understand, Angel. Right now I'm using a laptop. What if this laptop crashes in between the presentation? What if suppose I'm not able, my video doesn't work while giving the presentation? What if? There are so many what if questions can come in our mind. But imagine if me and you can think about it. 57 countries, last 20 years, how much the founders would have thought about it, what level of security, what level of servers would have been there with a complete secured servers with multiple trials. CE0482 certification is not given just to anyone. The certification itself calls it out that how restricted or secured server we are maintaining. So right now I would only tell you that
You're absolutely right. But after some time, when we stop using the device for a very prolonged period and we try to elevate ourselves using our telepathic senses or whatever higher frequency range we are resonating at that point of time, can we actually stop using Healy? Or we will have to continue?
Absolutely. No, not at all. You can stop using it. Absolutely. See, if you ask me, in this week, I might have done a detox because I was traveling Mumbai and all. So after coming from Mumbai, I did my detox. Whenever I go out, when I drink water, food from outside, I'm close to 50. I don't have any illness, and I do a lot of healing of myself because I'm a Ho'oponopono healer. But there are things which are out of my control. There are things when I emotionally go down. There are things which things go not as per my expectation. And to be emotionally stable and continue with my life, I use Healy. Now, it's not like I need it every day, but I need it because after all I'm a human. I
Yes,
go down.
actually, yes. There
Yeah,
is an aura change impact when we go through so many
exactly.
things, and that impacts on us. The more
Yeah.
pure you become, the more you absorb that also, that you have to actually detox and come to the same frequency range. So
Absolutely. So, and if you are a people's person, you will start absorbing the energy of
Very
outside.
true, very true.
Yeah.
Automatically, it'll be healing when we go to various places, intentional or unintentionally, and we absorb the vibes. So when
Yeah.
we have to heal ourselves, because we have
Yeah.
actually healed them, it's a God's blessing. This is all is
Yeah.
a
And we have a program, defense program, any kind of black magic, evil eye,
very
geopathy,
important.
impact, vastu. If we have this, sometimes I run that general protection
Thank
program,
you.
and it creates an shield over us to protect us. So that would be very good. And I use it quite often when I'm in the midst of people. Angel, who invited you?
Mr. Hemant.
Oh, fantastic. So get in touch with Hemant, and
Sure, thank you
Hemant
so much.
and then we'll get connected.
Sure,
Welcome
sure.
to the
Thank you.
community. Bye-bye.
Thank you, dear.
Yeah.
Bye, bye.
Anybody else who has questions? I can't see any hand raised. I am happy to connect with you if you have still more questions. Chindanand sir doesn't want to leave me today. Happy to answer you, Chindanand sir. You can unmute you.
One small question I have.
Please.
See, people who are healthy, one fine day they go to the doctor and find out their blood pressure is increasing and things like that. No, that's the beginning of their health issues. No, such people, instead of going to the doctor, can they use this system?
Absolutely. So we will teach you. We will never say not go to the doctor. If you feel you have to go to the doctor, please go to the doctor. Okay. We will never stop you saying that you are using Healy. Stop going to the doctor. No. The point is get connected to your body. Now your body will tell you whether there are variations inside your body which need an expert help. Now, when you are using Healy, there are chances that your body gets stabilized, right? There might not be required to go to anybody outside,
In
but
future.
there might be. But if you ask me, I don't remember when did last I went, but I don't want to call that out. Please don't take that word of mine and say that Leena told not to go. No, nothing like that. You are your own doctor. First of all, put it in your mind that you are your own doctor, and we will teach you how to use Healy. When you see your reports, you will come to know with the percentages of the report how much toxins are accumulated. If the toxins level are very high, we will suggest you to go to the doctor. Okay, so the reports from Healy is a good enough to take for you to take a decision. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
any further questions? Okay, let me call it out. We don't cure, treat, or diagnose any disease because we have been talking about doctors, diseases. We only give the environment to the body. When we give an environment to the body, when your cells are vibrating in a right frequency, there are no toxins accumulated. There is a proper nutrition. Your mind gives a proper meaning to the situation and the circumstances. You know what's going to happen. Automatically the reality is going to change. Okay, so your thinking ability changes, your feeling changes, your speaking habit changes, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you perceive starts changing. And that's where our soul learns the lesson, what we have to learn, and we come out of it. Okay, so thank you so much for being such a beautiful audience. I welcome each one of you to this spiritual evolvement community, and I'm happy. Please connect with a person to have the aura scan done. Order your Healy today. There are very good promotions of the combos which are there. Connect with the person, understand it, and I'm going to meet you inside very soon. Till then, bye bye. Love you so much. Have a beautiful evening. Goodbye.